Last session, sir, we are discussing about strings concept. Regarding strings concept, even we covered what is a string, in how many ways you can create string object. Next and after that, sir, how to access characters of the string, what are various important methods we can call. These are things we covered already, right? Okay, sir, next and after that, even how to remove spaces, next and after that, how to find whether the given substring is available or not, how to find whether the given substring is available or not. Like sir, we covered multiple things. Have you remember, right? Sir, the last session we covered especially find method, index method, next r find method, next and after that r index. These are four methods, not required to keep any explanation, sir. I hope you people practice the example what I covered in the last session. Have you remembered, right? Yo, have you remembered, right? We covered how many number of words are there, how many number of, sir, do you know how many times occurred each the given substring present, how many times the given substring present, how many times we covered already, right? Okay, sir, just I hope this is the program what we covered, sir. I hope now everyone got the clarity. Yes ma'am, everyone got the clarity, right? How many times this variable there? Okay, like do you, I hope you people may aware. Okay, like just to practice that, sir, at last I want to print the number of occurrences also. Sir, here just observe that how the program is going to work. I'm not going to explain the program once again, don't worry, just sir, here py test.py I'm taking, sir. Py enter main string, sir. Durgasoft, just I'm taking durgasoft like this, sir. This is about my string durgasoft like that. Can you please search for soft? Yes, soft is available, found yet index number 5, found yet index number 14. Are you getting that? Found yet index number 5, found yet index number 14, like we have, sir. Now my requirement here is take a bit very special care, sir. How many number of times this substring came? I want to know the count value also. Then automatically here let me declare one variable count is equal to 0. One variable count is equal to 0. Sir, if sir POS is not equal to -1, not equal to -1 means it's already available. Every time, can you please increment count value? Count is equal to count plus 1. Regarding count is equal to count plus 1 like this I'm taking, sir. Okay, now let me consider here. Now at last I want to print the number of occurrences. Okay, like number of occurrences means how many times it's available, sir, comma count. Remember that, comma count. The number of occurrences is comma count. Sir, now have a look once, enter main string durgasoft like this I'm taking. How many times soft is available? Soft is found at 5, found at 14. The number of occurrences is nothing but 2, sir. Now have a look once, sir. A B B and so on, like this. Sir, I want to search for A. How many times A is available? Multiple times, right? A is available at 0 times, sir. Second index, third index, 4, 6 and so on. How many times A is available, sir? 16 number of times A is available. Everyone can able to understand, right? Sir, this is if you want for the last example, you can add how many times it came, like you can able to add this line also. Okay, highly recommended, right? Sir, that's all. This is about, sir, how to use find method, substring method, find method, index method, like this, right? Sir, now there is one ready-made method is available. Okay, sir, how many times this substring is available? Here I write the code to count the number of occurrences, but we are not required to count, we are not required to write a separate code. Ready-made method is available in the Python, sir. Okay, happily you are allowed to use that ready-made method. Counting the number of counting substrings in the given string. Regarding counting substrings in the given string, sir, how many times substring present in the given string? If you want, you can able to identify that. For that, what is the method we have? yes sir, dot count method. Just directly you can use which method, sir? Count method, sir, which is substring. Okay, like this, substring. Yes sir, dot count of substring, like this, right? Sir, now here just have a look once. All this nonsense is not required. Just observe that. S is equal to, just I'm taking durgasoft. Next and after that durgasoft, like this I'm taking, sir. How many times soft is available? I want to know, sir. Print of yes sir dot count soft I'm taking. Yes dot count of soft I'm taking, sir. If I can take like this, have you observed, right? Have you observed how many times a soft is available, sir? Two. Directly ready-made method by default available. What is that method, sir? Count method. Is it clear, right? Sir, how many times, sir, particular substring present? If you want to aware, directly you can go for what? Count method present inside string class. Remember this one, sir. Okay. Next, do you know my requirement is there is one more method is there, sir. Sir, yes dot count of substring comma begin to end. Sir, the people who attended in the last session, you can able to understand very easily, right? Correct. What is the meaning of this one, sir? From begin index to yes man, can you spell out? From begin index to end minus 1 index. Begin index to end minus 1 index. How many times substring came? How many times substring came? Okay. So to search the given substring in the specified range, remember this one, sir. Begin index to end minus 1 index. In this range, how many times it is available? Sir, don't search total string. I want only this particular range. In this range only you require to search. Then we can go for what? Sir, these three argument method, right? Sir, now observe that this is total. Now I'm taking s dot count of soft s dot count of soft. Can you please search from 8th index to sir some 15th index, like this I'm taking, sir. 8th index to 15th index, sir. Sir, now what is the how many times it's available, sir? Okay, now observe that 0 number of times, sir. 8th to 15th, nothing, sir. Sir, what I want to take 8th index to yes sir, len of yes, regarding len of yes, sir. So 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 means yeah. So 8th index to end. How many times it's available, sir? Can you please tell? One time. Are you in a position to understand, right? So in the specific area, how you can able to find, sir? Sir, you may ask, sir, instead of that, A, B, and so on. Next, A, like this, I'm taking, sir. Okay, assume that. Sir, total A, how many times A is available, sir? I want to aware. Then automatically A. How many times A is available? I want to find A from 8th location to like this, or sir 18th location to end of the string. Just observe that. Okay, what is the meaning I'm taking, sir? 15, 9. Everyone can able to understand, right? 15, 9. So total number of A's is nothing but 15 times, but in this particular range is 9 only. Okay, remember that. Divya, here have you observed, right? Length of yes means already, do you know already, sir, n minus 1 is already covered here only. Okay, length. Suppose if you have Durga, sir, yes, small down. If you have Durga, what is the index? Divya, what is the index for Durga? What is the index? 0 to 4. 0 to 4, correct, right? Index is 4. So then automatically I'm considering yes sir dot count of sir A comma 0 to sir length of the string is nothing but what? 5 characters are there. 5 already. Are you getting right? 5 already. Remember that. So 0 to 4. Length already plus 1 is there. That's why we are not required to add explicitly length of yes plus 1. Sir, she is asking the doubt. Just observe that. Her doubt is, sir, you took len of yes, but len of yes plus 1, right? This is our doubt. So we are not required. Because already length means last index already covered here only. Okay, that's all. Next, Sir, now, is it clear for all of you, right? Yes, ma'am. Everyone can able to understand? Sir, that's all. This is about, okay, how to use count method, man. So this is, sir, my requirement is how many times a particular character or a particular substring available. How many times it is available? For that purpose, happily we can go for what? Count method. That's all, sir. So how many forms of count method is available, sir? 2 forms. 1 argument or otherwise, sir, 3 arguments. No problem at all. From begin index to n-1 of the substring, right? That's all. Give an example also I covered. Not required to keep much explanation about this one, sir. There is one more small chota concept is there, sir. Replacing, okay, replacing one string, replacing, sir, a string, replacing a string, a substring with another string. Are you getting? Replace operation I want to perform, sir. Nothing. Replace operation I want to perform. Just observe. My requirement is I have yes is there, sir. Just yes dot. Can you please replace? Yes dot replace old string, sir. Which one you want to replace with which one you require to replace? Have you observed how many arguments are available, sir? Yes, ma'am. How many arguments are available? 2 arguments. What is the first one? Old string. You require to replace with the new string. Remember that. How you can able to identify? How you can able to do that? Very simple, sir. Just have a look once. Okay. Yes is equal to learning Python. Learning Python is very difficult. Learning Python is very difficult. Like this I'm taking, sir. Sir, learning Python is very difficult. Like this I'm taking. Now my requirement is, can you please replace? Yes, sir, done. Can you please replace? Yes, sir, dot replace of difficult with easy. That's about my requirement, right? Can you please guide, sir? Yes, sir, is equal to yes, sir, dot replace. Yes, sir, dot replace of difficult word I want to replace with the difficult word I want to replace with the easy word. Are you getting that? Difficult word I have to replace with the easy word, right? Now, sir, just a print of yes I'm taking. Now observe, original yes is learning Python is very difficult, sir. Let me print original is learning Python is very difficult, but after replacement, sir, what is the answer? Difficult will become what? Easy. Now have a look once. Original word is learning Python is very difficult, but now the modified thing is nothing but learning Python is very easy. Is it clear? Ayo, are you able to understand, right? So this is what how you can able to perform replacement operation, right? So now here just have a look once, sir. Sir, now have a look once about this terminology, right? Sir, I have A is there, sir. Now this is about like, can you please replace A with B? Can you please replace A with B? Can you please tell what is the answer by default we are going to get? Yes, ma'am. What is the answer by default we are going to get? Yes, sir, everything is the B. Wherever A is there, replace with B. Already B's are there. Now total thing by default will become what? B's only. Everything is the B. Because A we are trying to replace with B. That's why. So total thing itself is nothing but, do you know? Total thing itself is nothing but B's only. Remember. Sir, clear? Okay. What is the purpose of replace function? But here, if you are very much interested, I want to cover the most valuable important question for the entire room. Okay, very important question for the entire room. Can I cover? Respond, man. If you are interested, I will cover. Otherwise, I will ignore. I will go for next method. Sir, very important entire question I want to cover, sir. Take a bit very special care about this one. Okay, what is that special point is? What is the purpose of replace method? Sir, it is not entire question. Remember that. What is the purpose of replace method? So inside a string, sir, one substring I want to replace with another thing. For that purpose, we can go for replace method. Clear, right? Okay. So now my question is, entire person is going to ask this question. String objects are immutable. So then, how you can able to perform replace operation? Are you able to understand, right? Sir, string objects are mutable or immutable? String objects are, All fundamental data types are immutable, man. All fundamental data types in Python are immutable. String objects are immutable, man. Immutable. Then how you can, sir, how you can able to perform replacement operation? Because you are changing the content. Difficult word replaced with sir easy word. Difficult word is replaced with easy word. How you can able to perform the replacement operation, right? This is the question which was asked for our offline student who claimed 3+ years of experience in the last interview, right? Okay, sir, just very simple, sir. Immutable. What is the meaning of immutable? Especially new people, can you please respond? What is the meaning of immutable, sir? Immutable means once we create object, sir, I created one object. Assume that I created one object, sir. Once we create an object with some content, sir, assume that Durga content is there, sir, Durga like. Once we created an object, we are not allowed to modify the content. Are you getting? We can't modify content, sir. This content is always final. We are not allowed to modify this content. Such type of thing is by default considered, yeah, immutable. Sir, once we create an object, we are not allowed to change its content. This non-changeable nature is nothing but what? Immutable. Remember that, okay? Sir, clear. Now, replace is going to change the content. Then how you can tell that string object is immutable? Very simple, sir. Yes, most of the people already can able to guess because we discussed already in detail in the last sessions, right? Sir, very simple. Sir, do you know yes is equal to, whenever we are calling replace operation, sir, in the existing object changes won't be happen, because string object is always immutable. In the existing object changes won't be happen. Compulsory with the required changes a new object is going to be created. With the required changes a new object is going to be created. Remember that, okay? So a new object by default will be created with the required changes. In the existing object we are not going to perform any changes. That's why, sir, you know, string objects are immutable. Yes, even replace method we never going to change the content, sir. Remember that, sir. Where is the proof? How you can able to tell? Sir, very simple, sir. Here assume that, sir, A like this, A B like this I'm taking, sir. Sir, very simple. Now observe that here have a look once, sir. Sir, S is equal to A B. This is about my content. Listen a bit very carefully, sir. Now what I want to take is, sir, S1 is equal to S dot replace of A comma B. Sir, because of this replace operation, a new object will be created. In the existing object, no change at all in the content. Sir, where is the proof? If you want, you can print yes and the print S1. Can you please tell what is the value of S? What is the value of S? Ayo, can you spell out what is the value of S? S is A only. Sir, next, what is the value of S1? A. Sir, total A is replaced with B means all are B's only. If you want, I can able to print address also. Address also you can able to see, sir. Now, yes, sir, address. Yes, sir, address is. Can you please tell what is the how to find address of an object, sir? ID of yes, sir. Next one after that, sir, S1, sir, S1 content and address of S1 is nothing but ID. Sir, I'm trying to print content and I'm trying to print address also. So both addresses are different, man. Remember this one. Now have a look once. Observe a bit very carefully. What will happen is, sir, now here have a look once. Sir, what is my content? Sir? AB. Yes, is reference variable for that. Okay. Now S1 is equal to S dot replace of AB. S dot replace of A with B. Sir, A with B. A new object by default will be created. A with B. A new object by default will be created. What is the content is, sir, BB like this. Sir, this result, we are trying to assign with a new reference variable, S1. That's all. So this object address is the different, this object address is the different, this content is the different, this content is the different. Once we created string object, we are not allowed to change anything. We are not allowed to perform any changes in that object. If any person trying to call replace method or something like, with those, a new object will be created. In the existing object, we can't perform any changes. Remember that. Practical proof, sir. Let me execute this code. Yes. Let me execute this code. Sir, can you please tell S1, S content is this one, and the corresponding address is, sir, have you observed 560? Last observe 560. But here content is this one and the address is, sir, different. Even though after performing replace operation, but still my S content is always same or not? Array, after performing replace operation, S content is always same or not? Yes, S content is not changed. With those changes, a new object got created. What is that object? Is nothing but S1 object, right? Clear? Are you able to understand? Okay, that's all. Even replace operation also, we never going to change anything. String object is always immutable only. Remember that. Sir, I have one small doubt. Yes, some people are asking, sir. Okay, yes, see, we can able to assign ID to other variable in the future. No. Yes, here just observe a bit very carefully, sir. I want to make a small change. Sir, I'm taking like this. Are you getting? I'm taking like this. Now print of, yes, I'm taking. Print of, yes, sir. Sir, now take a bit very special care. What is the output we are going to get? Array, what is the output we are going to get? A, B, 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 like this. In this case, what will happen, sir? Sir, I'm not using new reference variable. Same reference variable I'm using. Then what is the behavior, sir? Observe that very carefully about this one. Observe, sir, this is about my content. What is the content, sir? A, B, like this. This is the content. Yes, sir, is a reference variable for this object. Now, yes, sir, dot replace of A, B. Oh, yes, dot replace of A, B. Compulsory, a new object got created. Now the content is B. Just now I told, right? Sir, compulsory a new object will be created because of the changes. Well, now this result we are assigning to yes or not? Yes, ma'am. We are assigning with yes only. Now onwards, this yes point into this object. Regarding this yes point into this object, then automatically this reference variable by default won't be there. It's already gone. Now onwards it is pointing to this one. Now this object not having any reference, it is eligible for garbage collector. Garbage collector is going to destroy this object. Are you getting? But make sure, sir, even we are reassigning the reference variable, but in the existing object, we are not performing any changes. Remember, in the existing object, we are not performing any changes. That's why string object is always immutable. Don't keep any doubt in that. Clear? Parsardi, are you able to understand? Okay, that's all. So in the existing object, we never perform any changes, man. Sir, now what is the output by default? We are going to get B. Sir, where is the A? Yes, it is eligible for garbage collection because the same yes we are using for the new reference variable for the newly created object. That's why old object eligible for garbage collection. That's all, sir. This is about replace operation. How you can able to use. Very important question, sir. Sir, string objects are immutable. Then how you can change the content by using replace method? In the existing object, we never going to change a new object by default will be created. Remember that. Clear? Okay. Can I go for the next one? Yes. Sir, all the objects by default will be stored. All the objects by default will be stored in the heap area only. Just like Java, separate memory, I mean what we call a string constant pool, no such type of things, Ahmad. Okay, that's all. Sir, now let me go for what is our next terminology? What is the next terminology here is, sir, next method, splitting of strings. Splitting of strings, sir. Okay. Sir, now there is one small doubts are there, sir. 1 minute. If I want to replace second AB with the BC, second AB with the BC, Ravinder, possible. What you can able to do? Identify, sir, move to this place, and identify where is the second AB is available. Where is the second AB is available? Okay, maybe you can able to do. But anyway, at that case, directly replace method you should not. Sir, we require to write some extra code to meet our requirement. Default method is always going to replace every occurrence. I don't want every occurrence, only particular thing. Then automatically there may be a chance. Yes, okay. Find the method, replace method, some extra code you require to write, sir. Next, sir, ID is different before and after replacement. Yes, definitely. Yes, Priyanka, definitely, sir. Before replacement and after replacement, ID is the different. Because it is a new object, right? But this one is the old object. Sir, observe that. Print of ID of yes, sir. Okay, print of ID of yes, sir. Sir, this is before replacement. Are you getting? This is before replacement. Like this I'm taking, sir. Okay, before replacement, this is the line. Next, after replacement, what is the ID, sir? Definitely the address should be different. Remember that? Before replacement, what is the address, sir? Sir, this one is the address. But after replacement, what is the answer? Is nothing but like, is it the different or not? Yes, after replacement, sir, definitely the answer should be different. I hope everyone can able to understand, right? Sir, this is because both are different objects only. Okay, like yeah, I hope Vedanta. I hope begin and end arguments, I hope not available. Just a cross check in our API documentation. Okay, that's all, sir. Now, sir, can I go to the next level? Okay, that's all. This is about some next. Let me go for next method, splitting. What is the next one, sir? Splitting of strings. Sir, I want to split the strings according to given separator. How you can able to do that? Are you getting? I want to split according to given separator. How you can able to do, sir? Sir, very simple. Yes, sir. Dot split is the method. Are you getting? What is the method we require to use, right? Yes, sir. Dot split method with respect to which separator you want to split, sir. Okay. Here the argument we require to pass, right? Okay. If you are not passing any argument, now the default separator is space. Remember this, sir. Now the default separator is nothing but what? Space. With respect to space, it is going to divide. If you are not passing any separator with respect to space, it is going to divide, sir. Okay. Let me go for a small chota example so that you people can get much clearly, right? Sir, I'm taking one string, sir. Okay, my string is S is equal to Durga software and then solutions, like this I took, sir. So now this is my string. I want to split this string with respect to space. If I split this one with respect to space, how many strings are going to come? So first one, Durga is going to come. Next one after that, software is going to come. Next one after that, solutions. So total, how many things by default are going to come, sir? 3 things will come. This group of strings will be available in the form of list. Remember this one. This group of strings are available in the form of list, sir. Okay. Have a look once, sir. How you can able to use. L is equal to S dot. What is the function name? Split. Sir, am I required to pass any argument? Ayo. Am I required to pass any argument? No. Because the reason is, I want to divide with respect to space. That's why. If you don't want space, that part I will take care, sir. Now my requirement is print of type of L. Okay. What is the return type? Return type is in which format I want to take, sir. Have you observed? Return type is what form? List form. Oh, it's available in the list. Directly you can print, sir. Directly You can print. Have you observed? Durga software solutions like this. Sir, I want one by one. Happily you are allowed to take. Sir, happily we are allowed to take for sir, x in L, for x in L, print of x. Do you know what is this loop, sir? For loop. Happily, do you know first one is the Durga, second one is the software, third one is the solutions like. Clear, right? Sir, I want to split the given string according to specified delimiter. How you can able to do that is nothing but like this, right? Okay. Sir, now this is what you people should aware related to this split method, right? Now my requirement is observe that carefully, sir. I don't want the space. Okay, what is the today date? 02, okay, 03 2018. 02 03 2018. Assume that this is the today's date, sir. I want to divide with respect to hyphen symbol. That's about my requirement. With respect to hyphen symbol, I want to divide. How I can able to do, sir? Very simple. S dot split. Now you have to pass the argument. Regarding S dot split off, just pass the argument. If you can pass the argument, how you can able to do that? Observe that. But the answer by default we are going to get is, sir, everything is the same. Can you please observe? 02, 03, and then 2018. Is it clear? 02, 03, 2018 like this. Sir, this is the purpose of what is the split method. What we have not required to give any explanation about this terminology, right? Sir, splitting is a very common. Next, Om is asking some small doubts. How to differentiate SEP and split? SEP and split. Sir, anyone can you please answer? His doubt is, what is the difference? Seems to be both are same, sir. What is the difference between SEP and the S dot split? Sir, very simple. Split is applicable related to string concept. Sir, split is applicable related to string concept, right? Okay, but this SEP is applicable related to print function. Are you getting? Print of first argument, second argument, third argument, next and after that fourth argument. Like this, we have several arguments are there. While printing, by default, space is the separator. I don't want space. I want with respect to comma. I want with respect to dot. Then we require to use SEP attribute. Remember, but the split is related to strings concept, right? Both are completely different. Are you able to understand? Yes, ma'am. Okay, that's all. This is about a split. Yes, Rajendra Reddy. Do you have R split method also? Yes, ma'am. Do you have R split method? Yes. R split. What it is going to do that? 1 minute. R split. Not sure. Yes, 02, 03, 2018 only. Then what is the difference? If R split is there, automatically S split also must be there. Correct? Very simple, sir. Best way of learning, sir. Open the Google, immediately type whatever you require. R split. Okay, sir. Here just have a look once. Then automatically you can able to identify. Okay, here see. Sir, R split parameters. R split method takes maximum of 2 parameters. One is a separator. This is the delimiter. Okay, well, this is the delimiter. Next, max split. This is the second. It is also argument. The max split defines maximum number of splits. Okay, remember maximum number of splits. Okay, sir, this one is nothing but maximum. Sir, how many splits you want? Max. Sir, the default value of max split is -1, meaning no limit on the number of splits. Excellent, man. Okay, sir, it has how many parameters are there? 2 parameters. Just have a look once. Very simple. The default value is 1, right? Let me go for Durga software. Okay, Durga software solutions. Durga software solutions. Sir, HYD. Okay, like this I'm taking HYD India. This is about my thing. Sir, now if I use just a split method, just a split method. Are you getting? What is the output by default you are going to get, sir? Have you observed? If I use split method, what the output, sir? Sir, total Durga software solutions HYD India, like this we are going to get, sir. Observe that. Okay, like this one. Sir, my requirement is I don't want these many, sir. Can you please max 3 only allowed? Max 3 only. Let me cross check, sir. Max 3 only allowed. Okay, sir, must be str or none, not int. 1 minute, because it's always going to take here space character I'm taking. First argument, second argument is the 3 I'm taking. Is it int or string? It is expecting. Okay, have you observed, right? Can you please cross check, sir? What is the number I used? 3 max. Sir, you are allowed to divide. Yes, you are allowed to divide with respect to 3 spaces only. Max number of times you require to consider 3. Sir, first time we covered, second time we covered, third time we covered. Are you getting? Third time whenever we are taking 3, then automatically remaining thing is considered as only 1. Correct? Remaining thing is considered as only 1. Yes, ma'am. Yes, Rajendra, are you able to understand? Are you able to understand, everyone? What is the difference between, sir, this is a split. Even for the split also we can take, man. We can take 2 arguments. Split also I'm taking 2 arguments. Yeah. Python R split and splitting right at the specified separator and the returns number of. Okay. Next, R split. Return value of the R split. How to split works with max limit is specified. Okay, max limit is specified. Same terminology only. R, yes, split also. Yeah. Okay, that's all, sir. Okay, anyway, that's all. This is about. Let me take R split, sir. Let me take R split. Maybe reverse. Let me take R split. Yes, okay, correct. R split, correct. Have you observed, right? So that's all. Then automatically, good. So by default, else good, man. Good way of learning. Huh? Yes, man. I hope you people can able to understand. Divya, are you able to see, right? Sir, we have only two split methods. Okay. What is the first one is? Can you please split? Can you please use R split? Okay. R means what? Reverse. R means what? Reverse. Sir, split method is always going to consider from left to right. Sir, what separator we are going to use? How many max you want? Sir, you require to consider that separator max how many times that number is going to represent. If I use R split, then automatically from reverse direction, it is going to consider, yes, ma'am, this part second time, this one is the third time, remaining is considered as one string. Clear? Sir, by seeing the output, you can able to see, sir. Now observe that. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. I'm taking, sir. Sir, if I use a normal split method, sir, maximum of with respect to comma, I want to divide. With respect to comma. Sir, max, how many times you require to consider comma? Then automatically, do you know here how many times I require to consider comma? 3 times. Observe that. What answer by default you are going to get? Sir, first time, second time, and then third time. This is the third comma. Total thing. 1 minute. Can you please observe? 10, 20, 30. Okay. Remaining is nothing but like this. Everyone can able to understand, right? Ayo, is it considered from forward direction or backward direction? Forward direction, right? Okay. So that's all. Now the same cinema, what I want to take is, let me use R split. Let me use R split. Reverse, splitting in reverse direction. Okay. Now, do you know 80 is one division, 70, next and after that 60, sir, next 50, okay. 1, 2, 3, 50, like the remaining thing is by default considered as 1. The remaining thing is by default considered as 1. Okay, like just have a look once. R split, how it is going to work. Have you observed? 10, 20, 30, 40 and so on plus 1, 60, 70, 80. Because it is applying split in reverse direction with respect to comma, with respect to this one. Clear? If I'm not going to specify, default value is the -1. Default value is the -1, sir. Observe the default value -1 means all the things are same. Clear? Yes? Ray? Okay, that's all. This is thanks, man. Thanks, Rajendra. Okay, even I didn't use okay, this R split. Sir, split is the thing what we are using. Sir, similarly, join is also there, man. Join. Sir, reverse operation. Reverse operation is join. How you can able to use a join, sir? Sir, very simple. Very simple. I have a list or tuple is there, sir. Assume that I have one list is there. L is equal to Durga, comma soft, Durga, comma soft, like sir, comma solutions, like it is there. Assume that, sir. Now this is my list of strings. What my requirement is, can you please join these strings into a single string with respect to, sir, hyphen symbol or with respect to space symbol, like you have to do that. How you can able to do? S is equal to separator dot join of L we require to pass. Are you getting right? Separator of okay, like we require to use. Sir, this L need not be list. It may be tuple also. Sir, only in general we are going to take either list or you can use a tuple. Are you getting right? Either list you can use a tuple like this, right? Sir, which is separator you want? My required separator is hyphen symbol. Are you getting hyphen symbol? Then can you please print off? Yes, sir. Can you observe what is the output by default you are going to get, sir? Sir, can you please join all these elements into a single string, sir, with the hyphen separator, Durga, hyphen soft, hyphen solutions, like we are going to get, sir. Let me cross check. Is my explanation is the correct or not? Can you please observe that? Can you please observe? Have a look once, sir. Okay. L is equal to Durga soft solutions like this. Print of yes, sir. Now have a look once, sir. I hope are you able to understand, right? This one is nothing but join. How you can able to perform join operation, right? Okay. That's all. Need not be colon, sir. Now assume that. Let me take a tuple, sir. Can you spell out how you can able to take the tuple, sir? Here just observe that same Durga, okay, comma tuple is always with braces. Are you getting parenthesis? Curly braces is nothing but set, sir. Okay, Durga, like soft I'm taking. Next and after that solutions, like I took, sir. But now it is the tuple, sir. But I want with respect to colon T, sir. With respect to colon T. Then have a look once. Have you observed Durga, colon soft, and then like this, right? Sir, compulsory we should specify something. Because here it is always, suppose I'm not taking anything, sir. What will happen? I'm not taking anything. Empty string. Okay. What will happen? Here have you observed, right? Nothing. Even not. So I'm not specifying anything. Sir, space I want. Compulsory you require to specify. Here default separator, such type of terminology not applicable, because we require to call on string object. We require to call this method on string object. That string compulsory should be there. It is not argument. That's why if it is the argument, default argument, what is the default value like? But you have to call join method on this one string. That's why mandatory, sir. Okay, that separator you require to specify. Divya, are you able to understand? Yes, space I added, then automatically Durga soft solutions like by default we are getting. Clear, right? So that's all. This is about how you can able to split the string into multiple subparts, how you can able to join. But join in general we never going to use. Most of the times we never going to use, but split method is a very common method, man. Make sure even in the regular expressions several times if you are performing file IO operations, regular expression, splitting is a very common thing. Okay, so that's why compulsory you people should aware related to this split method, right? Next, sir, now, sir, sometimes do you know changing cases, changing case of a string, changing case of a string. This is about my requirement, right? How you can able to change the case of the string, sir? Like sir, to lowercase to uppercase, or only uppercase, only lowercase, or reverse, like a title case, like we may have multiple methods are available in Java. Do you know two uppercase, two lowercase, like we have, right? Same terminology here. Which methods are there to change in the case, right? Okay, upper. Are you getting upper? What is the method name? Upper, right? Sir, to convert, okay, upper to convert to uppercase. Not required to keep much explanation because the names are itself indicates automatically. Can you please guide? What is the next method? Hey, respond, man. upper, and then what is the next one? Lower. To convert into complete lower case, right? What is the next one, sir? Swap case. Okay, swap case. Can you please swapping means interchanging. If any lowercase letter is there, convert into uppercase letter. If any uppercase letter is there, convert into lowercase. So, like swapping is nothing but interchanging. Like next, there is one more method is there. Title case. Title, sir. Can you please tell what is the title? Title. What is the title case? Uppercase I know, lowercase I know. What the meaning of swap is also we know. Yes. What is the title? Title case means what? Uppercase. Yes. Okay. Remember. Title case is, sir. Now do you know the here just observe the Python classes by Durga. Okay, Durga sir. I'm taking sir. Can I use the word? Is it title case or not? Yes. Is it title case or not? Array? Yes, ma'am. Yes. How you can able to consider it is the title case? Because every word starts with the uppercase character. Are you getting it? Every word starts with the uppercase character. Sir, next the remaining are lowercase. Now second word starts with uppercase, remaining are lowercase. Starts with uppercase, remaining are. Every word first letter is the uppercase. Every word first letter is the uppercase. Then it is by default considered as a title case, right? Of course, I will explain with an example. Don't worry, sir. Next one after that, there is one more method is there. Sir, capitalize. Are you getting what is the method name? Capitalize. Sir, capitalize. What is the meaning of capitalize method? What it will do, sir? Anyone? Ayo, I don't know. But very rare we may have this type of requirements. Don't worry. But upper and lower, maybe sometimes we are going to use. Can you please tell what is the meaning of capitalize? Capitalize means in the total string, only first character is the uppercase. Only first character is the uppercase. All the remaining characters are lowercase only. Even all the remaining characters also lowercase only. Sir, every word starts with uppercase. No such type of rule here. Everything is always lowercase only. Are you getting? Lowercase only. Have you observed? Only one letter is the uppercase. What is that letter? Is first letter. Only one letter is the uppercase. What is that letter, sir? Only. What is that letter? First letter. Except that all the remaining are lowercase only. This one is nothing but what? Okay. Upper. I mean capitalize method, right? Sir, let me show this type of things, right? Sir, I have S is equal to like let me consider this one only. Okay, let me consider yes is equal to this is my string. Okay, can you please convert into uppercase? Yes sir, dot upper. Are you getting? Yes sir, dot upper. Then are you able to see uppercase or not? Oi, are you able to see uppercase or not? All characters by default converted into uppercase, right? Sir, now same way, yes sir, dot lower. Yes sir, dot lower. Now all the characters by default converted into lower case. Are you getting? Now, sir, what is the swap case? Are you getting? Swap case, interchange, sir. Interchange means the first letter will become lowercase, remaining letters will become uppercase. Because sir, I took title, right? Okay, that's why. So the first letter will become uppercase, second, I mean remaining letters are, so uppercase letter will become lowercase letter will become uppercase. Can you please cross check, sir? Can you please cross check, sir? First one is uppercase will become lowercase, remaining two are, okay sir, lowercase. Now it will become uppercase. Sir, are you able to understand? Array, what is the meaning of swap? Clear, right? Swap case. Okay, now what I want to say, sir, yes sir, dot title. Yes sir, dot title, sir. Sir, it's already in the title. It's already in the title. That's why you may not see much difference. Regarding, it's already in the title. That's why same thing by default we are going to get, sir. Okay, next last method, sir. What is the? Yes sir, I forgot, sir, the name. Capitalize. Correct, right? Capitalize. Now observe. Yes sir, capitalize. Only one letter is the upper. Only one letter is the upper. All the remaining things are nothing but lowercase. This thing is called how you can able to use, sir, how you can change cases of a string. Clear, right? Ayo, respond, man. Are you able to understand? So sir, in the future, if you want, sir, I want to convert, into lowercase and uppercase, like sir, what are various methods are there? Okay, like you should have clarity, right? Okay, like sir, then immediately you may ask, sir, Priyanka, she is asking some doubt. She's asking some doubt, sir. What is the doubt is, sir, all these objects are going to be stored in different locations or not? Yes, definitely. So if you print ID of all these, definitely you are going to get different addresses only. Priyanka, are you able to understand? Because in the existing object we never allowed to change the content, because string objects are immutable, right? If you trying to perform any change with those changes, any object should be created, sir. Okay, like next, sir, there is no argument in any of these functions. Yes, we are not, because then how the method names itself is going to respond, inside that the corresponding functionality is already there. Next, which string required to modify? Which strings required to modify, sir, on which object we are calling that method, that string is going to be manipulated, or that content is going to be manipulated. Clear, Divya? No arguments. Okay, that's all. Next, obviously, sir, all these objects whatever I'm creating, I'm creating, sir. So now have you observed, right? All these objects whatever I'm creating, these objects I'm not using any reference variable, just I'm printing living, that's all. Then automatically can I use the word these things are, can I use the word these things are eligible for garbage collection or not? Yes, these things are eligible for garbage collection or not? Yes. Okay, that's all. Make sure, sir, you people should aware. Still one more doubt, Vedant, have you observed on my screen upper, lower, swap case, capitalize? These are things, there is one color, title is not in another, is not in the corresponding other color, correct? Anyone observed that? Vedanta, you are asking this doubt. Yes, anyone? Sir, what is the reason for that? Okay, what is the reason for that? Can you please guess? Anyone, can you please guess? Maybe general word. Oh, reserved words, meta names are not reserved words. Anyone, can you please guess? Good, good. Because it's already in title, that's why title method is not going to be enabled. Oi, pichi bhootaya babu. Okay, sir, very simple. Here, which editor I'm using? Which editor I'm using? Sir, edit plus. Regarding just I'm using edit plus. Observe that edit plus editor. Edit plus editor, maybe sir, I'm using some X version. This X version is Python 3.4 or 3.2, something based on that assumption. Based on that assumption, this edit plus is developed. So at that time, title method may not be available. Remember that, okay? Maybe, sir, in the newer versions of this title method may be added. Okay, that is one option, one possibility. Second possibility is this edit plus people covered only these methods while developing. These method they didn't, sir, they didn't consider. That's why it is. So it is a bug. It is a bug or version problem with respect to edit plus, not with the Python. Don't worry about that. Clear, right? Are you able to understand? Okay, so this edit plus not updated, sir, this is title. But if I can use Python ideal, definitely it should work. Yes, obviously, man, definitely it should work. That's why don't worry about that. Sir, am I able to get the corresponding output or not? Yes, functionality is working because internally I'm not executing by using edit plus. I'm executing by using Python software only. It can able to recognize. That's all. So this is one small doubt for your information. Just I'm telling, sir. That's all, sir. This is the terminology. You people should be aware how you can change the case of a string. Okay. Next, one more thing, sir. Checking starting and ending part of the string. Starting and ending part of the string. Are you getting? Sir, checking starting and ending part of the string. Just only 2 or 3 more methods. Don't worry, parts are there. I hope feeling bored, it seems. Checking starting and ending part of the string. Sir, here, can you please tell your string starts with a particular substring or not? Ends with a particular substring or not? Yes, for that purpose, we should go for what? Okay, there are some methods are available. Sir, yes, sir, dot starts with, okay. Now is it starts with learning? Is it starts with learning, or is it ends with easy? Are you getting? Is it ends with easy? Something like, remember that. Are you getting? So you can able to check if the string starts with learning or not. If the string starts with easy or not. Happily you are allowed to check, sir. Assume that, sir, now I'm taking learning Python is very easy, like this I took, sir. Learning Python is very easy, like this I took, sir. Print off. Here just a print off. Just what? S dot starts with. Sir, learning starts with the learning. Yes, man. It starts with the learning only. Okay. Sir, now similarly, S dot ends. S dot ends with. S dot ends with easy or easy, like this I'm taking. Sir, what is the answer? First one. What is the answer? First one, true. But second one is, can you please cross check, sir? First one is the true, second one is the false. Why? What the reason? Why we are getting second one is the false? Because it is uppercase, but this one is nothing but what? Lower case. Are you getting case sensitive, sir? These methods are going to consider case sensitive. That's why how you can able to ignore the case is very simple. Maybe you can use the corresponding functions. Okay, like yes. So this is about starts with and ends with, right? But anyway, for these methods, you may not use regular expressions. Because string may not accept. Okay, but how to use regular expressions? That part I will take care. Don't worry about that, Muhammad. Can I go for next one? Yes. Okay, that's also, this is about how to starts and ends with the string. Next, there are some more methods are there just to check. Okay, is it completely alphanumeric characters or not? Is it completely alphanumeric characters or not? Okay, like next one after that, is it completely alphanumeric characters or not? Next, is alpha only alphabet symbols? Is it lowercase? Is it uppercase? Is it title case? Like there are multiple methods are available. We are going to discuss, sir. Don't worry about this terminology, right? Okay, that's all. So here, have you observed? Have you observed? Yes, yes. Rajendra, you are telling something. What it is? I didn't get you. Can you please repeat once again? Rajendra. Yes. Yeah, that's all. Sir, there are some more methods are available. Some more methods are available, sir. Okay. So those are things I will continue in the next session. Don't worry about that. There are some more methods are available. Just a matter of another few methods only. And after that, immediately we will go for list, set, these kind of things, right? So after completing this, immediately we will go for exception handling, oops concept, database, these kind of things. Okay, right, sir. That's all. In the tomorrow's part, we will continue. So tomorrow we will have the session, right?